So I want you to talk to us about artificial intelligence because as a marketer, when you work in social media, you are dabbling into using AI sometimes. So I want to know, how do you use AI in a way that helps to build your business?
Yes. Well, I think AI it can be very beneficial for business. I know that's something it can be new and daunting and very scary, and we
Definitely.
don't know everything about it yet, but it can be very beneficial to business because it allows you to create systems that are automated. So that way you don't have to spend all of your time maybe typing out this copy for your website or for a social media post. Rather, you can put it into a system,
Right.
and then it develops a majority of the copy for you, and then you might go in and then make a few edits as well.
Right.
And I think that especially for an agency, that a lot of agencies are going to need to start using some type of technology or some type of system, because otherwise you're going to fall behind, because these other agencies are doing that. These other companies are investing
That's
in their
so
technology. That's how you get the billion-dollar valuation, by having some sort of technology platform. When people come to you and they're asking, okay, I want to invest in your company, but what technology do you use? You don't have any that's going to drastically decrease the value of your company. So I think that's going to be very important in the future to get with the times and start to adapt the AI technology, because there's a lot of great systems out there and they can really make your life much easier.
Yeah, and AI is not going anywhere. This
it's
is
not.
just the beginning. And a lot of people don't realize how often we use AI,
Yes.
It's like, it sounds like, what the heck is this, But honestly, with our phones and Siri and the different apps that we use, everything is tied into artificial intelligence. Every day, everyone is using artificial intelligence through the technology and they don't even realize it. But if we could learn how to stay up to speed with the benefits that it offers, we could actually build something way bigger than we even imagine. And it's not so much about it taking over the work for us. It's about us kind of feeding in our ideas and then allowing it to enhance what we already have. Because I think a lot of people, myself included, used to feel like artificial intelligence was something that I just had to run from, because I'm like, the robots are going to take over and I'm scared and I don't want to be a part of it at all. But I realized that, there's a lot that you can do with it if you use the ideas that you already have and build on it.
Yes, I agree. And like you said, we've been using AI for years. Even people that play video games.
Yeah.
When you play against the computer, that's AI. When you're on your phone, it's Siri and AI. When you go on Instagram, they have algorithms, but they also have artificial intelligence as well. And all these companies, all these technology companies, they all use AI. Everybody's been using AI for a minute, but now it's getting to the point where I think AI is going to be a lot more mainstream, and it can be accessible to your regular average day person, rather than something that's very ambiguous, or AI, it'll be here, but not during my lifetime. Though AI has been here, and it's only going to become more and more prevalent.